Hey friends, if you wish to create a numbered list in Google Docs, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So one is a numbered list here. Okay, so you can click on this one and it will start with one dot. Okay, I'll show you and then you can start with the second one. But if you want more creativity like in Microsoft Word, then simply erase it. Okay, and go back. Hit enter, make sure that the cursor is at the right place. Now click on the downward pointing arrow associated with numbered list and select the number list of your choice. Okay, you can select this one for say, and then type your name or whatever you want to type and something else. So these are Roman numerals, and you can also change them to normal to the normal English alphabet or rounded brackets. So there are many options here. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.